Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving an update on the Shark Flexstyle. Can you believe it's been a year since I purchased this baby? This is a multi-styling tool. This can blow dry your hair, curl your hair, brush your hair, diffuse your hair while drying your hair. It kind of does all the things. I had heard some hype around this when it came out because it was a more affordable alternative to the Dyson Airwrap. The Dyson Airwrap runs around $600. This baby runs somewhere between, I believe, $250 and $300. They have bundles where you can get different accessories or you can choose your accessories. I did the one where you could choose specific accessories, and really what I wanted was this Airwrap sort of barrel blow curl item. I had no idea I would enjoy this as much as I do, but I have also been on a curly hair journey, and wow, this diffuser is fabulous. It has adjustments, it cups under the hair. I've never been a diffuser girl, but wow, does it make a difference in your curls. My hair is naturally curly. So the bundle that I got came with the diffuser. It came with two barrels. One pulls right, the other pulls left, and I also chose the one that came with the brush. I did pick up a case on Amazon, and Shark also has their own case. So the purpose of this video is to give an update letting you know, was that big investment, because to me, I have never spent more than $20, $30, $40 on a hair product. This was a big investment for me. And in case you were wondering if I feel it was worth it, I do. I have used this product almost every single day since I got it a year ago. Whether it was to touch up my blowout curls like you're seeing today, whether it was to update my super curly curls like I wear as well, it was a great investment for me. So if you are interested in the products that I use, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below, as well as my makeup. And I have a tutorial in my first video, which of course I will link if you think it's here. I will link if you're interested in seeing that. In that one, I start with my hair dry. In today's video, I will start with my hair wet. But I thought I would show you how I am using it, and it is basically the same as I did a year ago. And I love the way my hair looks. I said in the demo that you'll see that first day hair, I don't feel looks as good as second and third. My hair will look better tomorrow, even better the next day. I find that my style lasts a long time. I sometimes use dry shampoo, but oftentimes I just don't. I find that if you touch the roots of your hair as little as possible, you don't get oily. And washing your hair every day is not that great for your hair. So I am a once or twice a week hair washing kind of girl now. Enough chitter chatter. I will get into the demo. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you will subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And here we go. So I did buy this case on Amazon. Shark does have a case of their own for their Shark Flexstyle. This was just a little less expensive, and I'll show you how it really does fit everything. I of course will try to list everything in the description box that I am using, like the Shark Flexstyle, like the carrying bag that I got, this towel that I've had in my hair since I got out of the shower and did my makeup, that is microfiber and will help with frizz. I have this Redken Big Blowout. This is a heat protecting blowout jelly that is in my hair. And I started with the Fable and Main Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. All favorites. And then at the end, I might hit it with a little bit of this Aussie Miracle Curls. I just use it for the moisture aspect. I'll go ahead and take this microfiber towel off of my hair. It's really nice. It's made for longer hairstyles. There's probably different sizes, but this is nice. I use this when I'm doing my hair curly or straight. So I will start with the brush, and I will snap it in right here, and then I'm going to pull my hair half up. Just makes it a little bit easier to work in sections. Split it down the middle, and just start blowing it out. I just realized I should not have a black shirt on. Hold on, let me go change my shirt. I'll take the brush and I'll go ahead and start blowing out the hair. I'll fast forward you through this. Now the hair is all blown out, and if you were really being particular, you would section it off again. You would use the one barrel for the one side, the other barrel for the other, or you can be lazy like me and not split it and only use one barrel. That's what I'm doing. You are going to need a water bottle. This is one of the Mister styles. I will link one on Amazon in the description box. I think I grabbed this one from Walmart. So here is where I will take the barrel off and I'll put the left barrel on. So technically you can see where the arrows will be blowing the hair. You can have your hair go back, or if you used it on this side, it would go forward. You can do it however you want. I like my hair to go away from my face. So on the left side, I don't have to bend it, and I'll show you how I do that right now. One of the secrets I will say though before I get started is to use as small of pieces as you can. I know it takes a little bit longer, but the curls are going to be nicer. So smaller pieces, and then the second thing I would recommend is making sure you don't skip over that cool shot at the end. So I hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds on the hottest setting, and then I hit the cool button and hold it there for at least 10 seconds. It does get a little warm around the face. If it starts to get too warm before you've hit the 10 or 15 second mark, just hit the cool button and it'll definitely cool it away from the skin. So I'm just misting the hair. I'm not soaking it, but a little bit of water in it is going to help with the air and heat that blow out of this. So here I have half of the hair curled. Look at the difference in length. Now I'll show you how I do the other side without having to switch barrels. I just hit this button and turn it down, and then I will hold it this way and it will continue curling back. I'm gonna mist with the water bottle again. So now I have both sides curled, and I do want to put a couple more through the top. And here I blew it forward so that when I go back with my hands, it will give a little bit of volume. I'm going to give it a couple of minutes and then I'll be back. Sometimes I put the cool shot on just to get a little cooler. Let me go ahead and run my fingers through it. And if I'm being completely honest, I will like my hair better tomorrow even more than I like it today. Fresh hair, I don't find lays as nice as day 2, day 3 hair. And that's one of my favorite things about this, is that I can just easily update the hair, use a little bit of spray, go through it, not even full-fledged like I went through every piece, and it will update it and it will look great. I do like this hairspray. This is the Sexy Hair Big Spray and Play Harder. I mentioned this Aussie oil. It does say Miracle Curls, but it's just a hair oil with coconut and jojoba oil. And I will take a little bit of this, which it does smell really, really good. I'll warm it up on my hands and then just put it in my ends. And I don't find that it weighs my hair down. This will help with the frizz. Just be careful around your roots. You don't want to make your roots oily. And of course, if you don't want curls that start up as high as me, you could start the curl a little bit lower. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you were looking into purchasing one of these for the holidays, any time of year, I say it is absolutely worth the investment. Be sure to check out my links in the description box below. I have all of these items as well as everything on my face. Be sure to subscribe if you've not subscribed already. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.